So what I've done is I've set up the block here. It's been put in liquid nitrogen, and then the block itself has been cooled down. You can see how the OCT is starting to become opaque and thick and polymerizing. Eventually what we're going to do is let that polymerize enough that we can add the embryos on top of it and position them. The embryos have been sitting in OCT, equilibrating in OCT. I just put a little bit in a blob right there and then added the embryos on top of it. Alright, so this is probably good enough. It's still a little bit translucent, but that's okay. And I'm going to set it up against this black background so you can see what we have. Each one of these has a, this is DHA 6. I'm going to lift it up gently with a forceps and then place it and try to place it roughly where I want it to go. And so I've positioned it right around there. And I'm going to try to get these in about the position that I want them. There's not as much flexibility as I might have had if it was all liquid, but that's okay. Now, the size of these embryos is different, and so when we are placing these, we're actually going to go ahead and denote them as different sizes, according to basically a system of A, B, C, small, medium, and large, to get a rough idea what the stages are. And here we go, our last one. And so the trick is to get a picture of these embryos, and that will allow you to be able to post hoc make any comparisons that you might need